Russian Air Force. Founded 7 May 1992. 4,163 plus aircrafts. Aero L-39, origin Czech Republic, type trainer, in service 200. Antonov AN-12, origin Russia, type transport, in service 62. Antonov AN-22, origin Russia, type transport, in service 5. Antonov AN-26, origin Russia, type transport, in service 12. Antonov AN-30, origin Russia, type transport, in service 14. Antonov AN-72, origin Russia, type transport, in service 27. Antonov AN-124, origin Russia, type transport, in service 12. Antonov AN-140, origin Ukraine, Russia, type transport, in service 5. Antonov AN-148, origin Ukraine, Russia, type transport, in service 15. Brave A-50, origin Russia, type command and control, in service 19. Diamond DA-42T, origin Austria, type trainer, in service 9. Eurocopter AS-350, origin France, type utility, in service 5. Ilyushin IL-18, origin Russia, type transport, in service 8. Ilyushin IL-20, origin Russia, type maritime patrol, in service 10. Ilyushin IL-22, origin Russia, type command and control, in service 16. Ilyushin IL-62, origin Russia, type transport, in service 7. Ilyushin IL-76, origin Russia, type transport, in service 109. Ilyushin IL-78, origin Russia, type tanker, in service 19. Ilyushin IL-82, origin Russia, type command and control, in service 1. Ilyushin IL-80, origin Russia, type command and control, in service 2. Kamov Ka-27, origin Russia, type attack, in service 7. Kamov Ka-52, origin Russia, type attack, in service 108 plus. Kamov Ka-226, origin Russia, type utility, in service 36. Kazan Ansat, origin Russia, type utility, in service 50. Late L-410, origin Czech Republic, type transport trainer, in service 30. MiG-29, origin Russia, type fighter, in service 249. MiG-31 origin Russia type fighter in service 132. MiG-35 origin Russia type multi-role in service 6. Mi-2 origin Poland type transport in service 29. Mi-17 origin Russia type transport in service 746. Mi-35 origin Russia type attack in service 330. Mi-26 origin Russia type heavy transport in service 44. Mi-28 origin Russia type attack in service 98. Mi-38 origin Russia type transport in service 2. Sukhoi Su-24 origin Russia type attack in service 274. Sukhoi Su-25 origin Russia type attack in service 194. Sukhoi Su-27 origin Russia type fighter in service 229. Sukhoi Su-30 origin Russia type multi-role in service 111. Sukhoi Su-34 origin Russia type multi-role in service 124. Sukhoi Su-35S origin Russia type multi-role in service 98. Sukhoi Su-57 origin Russia type multi-role in service 1. Tupolev Tu-22M origin Russia type bomber in service 67. Tupolev Tu-95 origin Russia type bomber in service 42. Tupolev Tu-134 origin Russia type transport in service 56. Tupolev Tu-154 origin Russia type transport in service 18. Tupolev Tu-160 origin Russia type bomber in service 17. Tupolev Tu-214 origin Russia type reconnaissance in service 6. Yak-42 origin Russia type transport in service 1. Yak-130 origin Russia type attack trainer in service 110.